Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And if I sound a little congested, it's because I'm sick. I'm actually taking an off day right now, but we're still gonna put out a video for today. This is a very special unboxing because it was out for about an hour on YoyoFactory.com, and I just took the address off, and it kind of took most of it off. You can kind of see it in there. We're gonna quick open her up. Actually, I don't think I needed a knife for that. We got the metal arrow. Yep, this is actually a thing. Hold on, let's see if the bag had some other stuff in it. Ooh! Okay, so I don't know if you guys saw this, but on YoyoFactory's Instagram, they showed the Shanghai Yo-Yo Contest logo. And that would be it. Let's see if I can focus it. There we go. That's it. That's really cool. I'm very excited that I got something like that. So we're gonna have to compare it to the regular arrow. It's a little loose in the box right here. I have not touched it. Some of my other unboxings have gotten, or I've actually opened them, put them back in the box and unboxed them. But this one I didn't touch. It looks like it is a little bit altered right here, so I'm wondering if YoyoFactory took it out and did something with it to test it. But yeah, it kind of looks a little altered. I feel like there's some axles or something in here. It sounds a little bit like that. But we're gonna open it up. Interesting shape, I have to say. Oh wait, hold on, let's see if there's axles. No, it looks like we just got some string. Wow, this is a weird shape. I've never really seen this in a yo-yo before. It is not the same shape as the regular arrow, though. Metal arrow, regular arrow. That's actually very strange, I think. I feel like they should have kept the shape of this and just thrown it onto this. Now it looks like an Edge Beyond that's not bimetal, and they just threw an arrow logo on it and some finger spinning caps. But yeah, we got the regular arrow. I'm excited to try it out. This is going to be a review as well. I'm not going to say go to my other videos. Don't worry, I'm not going to do that. It came with regular white response pads and a concave center track bearing. I'm wondering if this is actually glow in the dark. I'm going to get my black light a second. Give it a little glow. And take it off. It is. Here, I'll charge it up and put it to the camera lens. It's just the caps, this part, the white outside. There you go. That's so fun. This is the glow side. That's the side didn't charge. Jeepers creepers. Yoyo will be released eventually, but YoyoFactory did this kind of promotional sort of thing where they just released it for about an hour and then took it off. So, don't worry, you will be able to get your hands on this eventually. Before we start this next part, remember to hit the red subscribe button down below, hit a like, let's try and get 10 likes on the video. Big thank you to all my subscribers. We just hit 120 subscribers, and now, let's throw it down. I got some messy room in the background. Don't mind that, I'm sorry. I kind of just got this package in the mail and thought, boom, video, I better get the video going before I unbox it and then rebox it, then unbox it again. But, let's go. First time throwing it down. Very strange. I think it could be a lot better if they just made it a bit wider and kind of made the shape of it more unique. It's good though. I like it. I like it. Gotta try the finger caps. Wow, one thing with the other arrow is if you did not get your finger inside the middle finger cap right away, it was bad news for you. You're done. The yo-yo's dead. But this one, I landed it on the outside and it just slid right to the middle. The only disappointing part, I don't know if you can see this, but if you can't, there is a slight ridge on the middle cap of here, so it could get stuck, your fingernail could get stuck, which is kind of weird. Not great for speed, because it's kind of heavy. But I do believe this will be a great addition to YoyoFactory's collection of yo-yos. The finger, the gap of the yo-yo fits my finger kind of way too good. I don't know, you can like, my finger's like flush with the yo-yo in this one. It was like, I don't know, well, let's try finger grinds. It's very good for finger grinds, just the texture of it. My finger might be even too big, so for you new yo-yo players, hopefully you're younger than me, if you start yo-yoing and use this yo-yo, it will probably fit your finger a little bit better. If you like heavy yo-yos, this is the one you want to get, but if you like speed, don't get this one. It's a little heavy. Thank you all for tuning into the video. But if you're gonna get a new finger spinning yo-yo, this is definitely the one. This yo-yo is great for finger spins. 100%. I'm gonna move my uploading schedule to 1 day a week. Make sure you go to my Instagram to check that out and understand more about it. The link for it is in the description box down below. Thank you all for tuning into this great video, and I hope to see you all in the next video.
Taking my time on my